Alrighty, we got a little update here at the Winnetka Ave Crossing in New Hope, Minnesota on the CP Paynesville Sub. The grade has actually been replaced a couple months ago, and they put new sidewalk here too, so I just really like how they did a good job. Still got the same signals, but different grade. The grade was a bit bumpy on this crossing once. Very straight. That was kind of the unbelievable part. It was just so bumpy for the cars, but now it's more smooth. So yeah. Really bundles still the same, and everything else still the same. I guess they made good progress.